Hello students, this is Shantam sir and our today's topic is complex number. So at first we have to know what is a complex number. If I write a equation like this, x square minus 1 equal to 0, then what is the solution of x? Here is the solution of x square equal to 1 and x equal to plus minus 1. But if we write a equation like this, x square plus 1 equal to 0, then x square equal to minus 1, now x equal to root over minus 1. So the equation has no natural solution and there is a no real number whose square is a negative real number. Now let us denote root over minus 1 by the symbol I. Then we can write here I square equal to minus 1. This means I is the solution of this equation x square plus 1 equal to 0. Euler was the first mathematician to introduce the symbol I for the square root of minus 1. Understood everyone? And he called the symbol I is a imaginary number or imaginary unit. A number of the form a plus iv, where a is a real number, also b real number. It is defined to be a complex number. For example, here 2 plus 3i is a complex number, minus 1 plus root 3i also is a complex number. For the complex number, z is equal to a plus iv, where a is called real part and denoted by real z, and b is called imaginary part denoted by imz, actually imaginary z of the complex number z. For example, z is equal to 2 plus 3i. Here is real z is equal to 2 and imaginary z equal to 3. Understood everyone? Now two complex number z1 equal to think that x plus iy and z2 is equal to think that s plus it are equal if x equal to s and y is equal to t. Now integral power of I. What is the integral power of I? Positive integral power of I, we know I is equal to root over minus 1. So from here, if we square both sides, then we get I square equal to minus 1. Now if we want to find the value of I cube, then I cube equal to I square into I. I square means minus 1 into I. That's mean minus I. Similarly, I to the power 4 equal to I square into I square. That's mean minus 1 into minus 1 equal to 1. And in order to compute I to the power n, always we have to divide n by 4. Just take a problem for understanding. To try to solve question number 2, I to the power 5 to 8. So at first divide 5 to 8 by 4. If we divide 5 to 8, then what we will get? 4 1s are 4, here is 1 2, 4 3s are 12 and 8 here. So 4 2s are 8. So here is remainder 0. So 5 to 8 leaves remainder 0 when it is divided by 4. So I to the power 528 can be written as I to the power 0, and I to the power 0 means 1. So our answer is 1. Now you can solve all the problem of power I. Now try to solve another example, I to the power minus 39. Now it can be written as a 1 by I to the power 39. Now divide 39 by 4. If we divide 39 by 4, then we will get 4 9s are 36. So here is remainder 3. Now it can be written as a 1 by I to the power 3. And we know I to the power 3 means minus I. So 1 by minus I. Now multiply with numerator and denominator by I, then we will get here is I and here is minus I square, and again I square means minus 1, so I by minus into minus 1, so that's mean only I. So our answer is only I. Now you can solve all the problem of power I. Now the next topic is express a complex number in the standard form a plus ib. So here is a problem number 5 minus 3i whole cube, and you have to express the problem as the form a plus ib. Okay, so this is the form of a minus b whole cube, so just write the form of a minus b whole cube. Here is 5 cube plus minus b cube plus 3 into a square. A square means 25 into b plus 3 into a into b square. Now here is 5 cube. 5 cube means 125 plus here is minus 3 cube, so it's minus, and 3 cube means 27, again it's I cube means, so right here minus 27 into I cube, and here minus 3 3s are 9 and 9 25 225 I, and here 3 5s are 15 and 9, so 135, and here is minus and minus I square, that's mean it's plus it's minus and 135. Now again 125, here is minus and the value of I cube also minus I, so here is 27 I minus 225 I minus 135. Now add or subtract 125 minus 135, that's mean minus 10, and here is minus 198 I. So this is the form of a plus ib, and where a is equal to minus 10 and b is equal to minus 198. Understood everyone? Now you can solve all the problem whose expressing as a complex number in the standard form a plus ib. Now we have to learn how to find a conjugate of a complex number. A conjugate of a complex number. Just let z is equal to a plus ib is a complex number, then the conjugate of z denoted by always z bar and is equal to a minus ib. Understood? So always change the sign before I. So it follows from the definition that the conjugate of complex number is obtained by replacing I with minus I. Understood? For example, if I write here minus 3 plus 4i, what is the conjugate number of minus 3 plus 4i? Just replace this I with minus I, so we get minus 3 minus 4i. This is our answer. Now you can solve all the conjugate problem. Now we have to know what is a modulus of a complex number. The modulus of a complex number z is equal to a plus iv is denoted by mod z and is defined as equal to root over real square plus imaginary part square. Understood, everyone? Now take an example. If I write here minus 5 plus 2i, so what is the modulus of this number, this complex number? So write here mod z, and mod z equal to minus 5 square plus here is the coefficient of imaginary part 2, so 2 square, that's mean 25 plus 4 and it's equal to root 29. Understood, everyone? Now you can solve all the modulus problem. Now we have to know the equality of a complex number. Just take a problem to understand the equality of a complex number. The problem is, if x plus iy whole to the power 1 by 3 equal to a plus iv, x, y, a, b all are real number, then so that x by a plus y by b is equal to 4 into a square minus b square. And question number 2, x by a minus y by b is equal to minus 2 into a square plus b square. Now try to solve this question. Given that x plus iy equal whole to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a plus iv. Now it can be written as a x plus iy is equal to a plus iv whole to the power cube, and this is the formula of a plus b whole cube. So x plus iy is equal to a cube plus 3 into a square into b plus 3 into a into b square plus b cube, that's mean iv whole cube. Now x plus iy equal to a cube plus 3a square b into I minus 3ab square, and here minus I into b cube. Now it can be written as a cube minus 3a square b and plus 3a square b minus b cube into I. So this is the form of a plus ib. Now just equal real with real number and imaginary part with imaginary number. So here x equal to a cube minus 3a square b and y is equal to 3a square b minus b cube. So we have to find now x by a. So from here we can take a as a common. So x by a is equal to a square minus 3ab and y by b is equal to 3a square minus b square. Now add them. So x by a plus y by b, and right hand side to right hand side, a square minus 3ab plus 3a square minus b square. Now this is 4a square and sorry, here is some mistake. Here is 3a square b, not here is 3ab square, also 3ab square. So here is 3b square. So here also 3b square. So a square plus 3a square, that's mean 4a square and minus 3b square and minus b square, that's mean minus 4 as a common minus b square. And this is proof question number 1. Now subtract them. then we will get x by 1 x by a minus y by b is equal to a square minus 3b square and minus 3a square plus b square. That's mean minus 2 into a square plus b square. This is proof. Understood everyone? To how to solve the equality of a complex number. Now you can solve all the equality of a complex number. And that's all for today. We will be back in the next video for others problem of complex number. Understood everyone? Okay. Bye. Thank you.